Today's bracelet, we will make this beautiful bugle beaded bracelet. So, let's start. Our materials are 3mm of bugle beads and 15O Miyuki 15O seed beads, beading needle, 0.20mm of beading thread. So I will cut the thread for 200 centimeter. So I will pick 8, 15O, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull the thread down and I will pass the needle once again. And I will knot them 2 to 3 times. I think I will make 2 times knotting. So I will pass the needle three times to these 3 seed beads. So to these 3 seed beads, I'll pass the needle. So I will pick, the next is I will pick 1 bugle beads. And we are exiting from here and I will pass the needle here. So I will pass the needle once again to the bugle beads. So I will pick 315O and I will pass the needle from this side. Right, like this. So I will pick 315O. We are exiting from here and I will pass the needle to this 315O. Like this. So it will be like this. Then I will pick again 315O, 315O, and I will pass the needle to this 315O. Like this. And then I will pick again 315O. We're exiting here and I will pass the needle to this side. So it will be like this. Sorry. And I will pass the needle once again here. It will be like this. And I will pick 1 bugle beads. Like this. Like this. And I'll pass a needle again here. Then I'll pick 3 15-0 and I will pass a needle here. And I will pass a needle here. I will pick 3 15-0. Sorry, exiting from here, and I will pass a needle here. Like this, and I will pick 3 15-0. Sorry, exiting from here, and I will pass a needle here to this 3 15-0. So our procedure for our bracelet for today is like this. So we will repeat the process and make the other unit. So I'll be back. So this is our bracelet. I make 1 2 3 4 5 6, so I made 34 units. So this is our bracelet for today, and now I'll attach our jump ring. And so I will open like this and attach. Like this, and attach our jump ring here. So this is our bracelet for today. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. Bye.